the overall stock position of fertilizer in the country is comfortable. As I've already informed you before, against the stock position, the availability is already 51% across the country. Besides for this, the long-term supply agreements for inputs and finished fertilizer have played a great role in ensuring supplies. Moreover, we have a number of joint ventures, and through our missions abroad, we have been actively pursuing for engagement of other countries which are out of SOH for supply of raw materials as well as finished fertilizer to us. The the sale has been brisk as ever. The Indian farmers, they have purchased about 11.38 LMT of organic manure and other fertilizers. Also, we have the data that I'll share with you, which have been purchased across the country. The sale of organic manure reflects a positive trend towards a greater adoption of organic nutrient sources and a gradual shift of the farmer's preference from the chemical fertilizer to the organic alternatives. Our domestic production is also going on as per the availability of gas. The domestic production after crisis of urea has been 71.41 lakh metric ton, of DAP about 10.04 lakh metric ton. The NPK complexes have been domestically produced to the tune of 22.96 lakh metric ton, and moreover SSP about 14 lakh metric ton. And so approximately 153.79 lakh metric ton of fertilizers through imports as well as domestic production have been added to our stock. In coordination with our 28 missions abroad, the country has secured supplies of urea from Oman, Malaysia, Vietnam, Georgia, Nigeria, Russia, Finland, Egypt, Algeria, Turkey, and Netherlands. The DAP and NPKs have also been procured from various sources out of SOH, like Russia, Morocco, Egypt, USA, Jordan, South Korea, Tunisia, and from Saudi Arabia via Red Sea. So the matter is being reviewed at the highest level regularly. The fertilizer security remains as strong as ever. Thank you.